Hi. Hi. So, very awkward because this is the first time I'm doing it. But about my life lately, I will go into details of that later. Basically, Sunday is the only day I get fully off because even Saturdays are half days and everything. And I just attended a class. Again, I'll go into details of that later. Right now I'm planning to go to the market ऐसे पास में जो है to get some things that I need, and then I'm planning to go to Phoenix Mall of Asia because it's really famous and apparently it's the biggest mall of Asia, which I really do not know, and it's hard for me to believe because I've seen huge malls in the Mall of Dubai also. It's really huge. Let's see about that. Why are we discussing that?
Okay.
So yeah, I will go there, but before that I have to go to the market, as I just said. So I will change my clothes, go to the market, come back, put my makeup, go to the mall. I'll keep you guys in the loop. So I just came back from the market. कल पूरी रात बारिश हुई है and it was like ऐसे बहुत तेज, and क्योंकि पानी भर गया हर जगह, it's really humid outside. Even though it's not that hot because it's still cloudy, but it's really hot. I'm sweating a lot, and now I'll get ready to go to the mall. So as I said that I'm going to be later talking about my life currently. So I don't know if you guys have figured out the city yet, but I'll just keep you guys guessing. But I basically am in a new city for an internship. I applied to this place. Again, I'm not even going into that much detail, but I applied to this place, I got it. So I'm in a new city for a couple of months. I have one college friend here who I already know, so it's like I'm starting from a fresh page, if that's even the correct phrase. But so okay, my eyes are bulging out. Okay, but so it's a fresh start for me. It's also kind of a getaway for me from my usual life. Things had gotten pretty monotonous for me in the past few months, so it's a nice getaway. I'm happy to be here. It's only been like my first week here, so let's see what else I have to witness. I had a class earlier today which was so I'm learning Korean, and खुद से तो नहीं सीखी जा रही थी मेरे से, so I just decided to enroll in a class. Here you can see me struggling with my hair in auto and then sticking to my lips because of the lip gloss. And we're here at the mall. It's kind of pretty from the outside, but fountains, I mean, it's kind of difficult. Let's see. I'm excited to go here. So I just came to this grocery store, and gate pe they ask you if you have anything in your bag or whatever you're carrying, that and they mark it just in case they have something similar, and वो ऐसे हो जाए कि ये इन्होंने shoplift नहीं किया है, they already had it, and they mark this bottle. This is so unique, किसी और के पास होगी भी नहीं है bottle. So I don't get the point of you marking this. Like, I bet you don't have. I bet पूरे Bangalore में कहीं नहीं होगा. Also found these really cute fridge magnets. Yes, these are all fridge magnets. And so if I take this one, it's like it's jiggling like this. It's not like solid. And same goes with this cupcake one, and this pastry one, this ice cream one, this burger one. They're all fluffy. They're like squishy. You could have mogu. They could have coco loco. But अगर इनके पास गोटी सोडा नहीं है, then इनके पास क्या है? This stuff isn't even that expensive. Like, you have this plain croissant, which is quite big, and you get it for 50 rupees. Then you have it, which 80-90 rupees. Still okay. And then you have the pastry. That's 180. No, it's okay. Never mind. Let's just move ahead. Here's just a cute little outfit check in front of the colorful aisles of the supermarket. I absolutely love it here. It's adorable. I look cute here. I just got out of the store
They marked the items that I already had, you know, my stuff. But they did not even check my bag कि मैंने कोई shoplift किया है या नहीं. How does that logic work? I can still pick up stuff. You're like double checking that I have my stuff and I have your stuff as well. Like, where's the logic? I'm entering the shop. I don't even care if I have to buy anything or not.
So I went inside the store and they have such adorable stuff, like these fluffy handbags. The colors are so cute and everything was so well placed and organized. My OCD self was really impressed by it. And they have really nice back to school stuff. I wish I was a rich kid. Just made my heart so happy.
I just saw some foreigners and मुझे मलेशिया की याद आ गई. And they had drinks in their hands, which reminded me that if I find a really fancy, you know, boba shop or just beverage shop in general, I may find Oreo milk tea. I've been dying to have some really good Oreo milk tea. If I find it, I will do something crazy. I took a picture of this panel. I will go to each and every shop and check whether they have Oreo milk tea or not. I don't care. I will find it, and if I do, because I'm so desperate for it.
And then I walked for miles and miles. I think that's all the miles I walked.
Wait for Gongcha to somehow magically teleport to India and sell their Oreo milk tea because यहाँ पे किसी के पास नहीं है. I was kind of hoping for it. I just checked their restaurant and desserts and cafes list. McDonald's ही नहीं है. कहाँ खाना खाऊँ मैं? Something so crazy happened. I was sitting, so there's this table, the table that I'm sitting on, and it had 4 chairs. तो जब मैं आई उसके पहले 3 लोगों की family, they were sitting here, and they finished their meal, and I asked them if they are done because I would like to sit there after them. And they're like, yes, we're done. You can sit here. And मैं बैठ गई और मेरे just बाद 2 लोग और आए, ठीक है, they were a couple, and they sat on the table while I was already sitting. And I told them कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ already. And they were like, हाँ, ठीक है. Privacy. What the fuck? And see, I really wanted to like tell them off, but I understand it's a very crowded place. And मतलब केवल dessert खा रहे थे वो. So they were like gone after 10 minutes or something. But I mean, basic human decency.
You look good. Almost 80% मॉल ट्रिप के बाद मेरे फ़ोन की और मेरी दोनों की बैटरी ख़त्म हो गई थी. So I just stopped vlogging. And then I came back and I did not even lift a finger after changing my clothes. I was just in my bed all day and I was mostly looking at old pictures and some old videos that I shot and edited. It was a nice evening. I did not even go out for dinner, but do not tell my mom. And then I had been reading this paper. As you can see on my laptop, it's still open. I still have to read it like once or twice more and just have to do some reading stuff that I had been doing during the late hours of this evening. And to tell you guys about what I brought from the mall. बहुत सारी shopping की है मैंने. I just got this one package from Tira. And that is not even that fancy. I just wanted this face wash because I used this face wash and I was running out of it. I went to Nykaa first. वहाँ पे नहीं था वो.
Really sad happened. I just went to Nykaa because I wanted to get this face wash that I use. And like I don't know about other places, but Nykaa does sell it. Nykaa did not have it. They had only 2 industry products. I'll have to order it online.
And as I was desperately searching for some Oreo milk tea, I did manage to find it, but it wasn't as good as the one I tried at Gongcha for the very first time. I was so disappointed. And like in hindsight, I could have used that money for so many more things. But anyways, at least I know that I won't spend money
on it ever again. All in all, it was a good day.
Now just a cute little outro. I just do my night routine. That's what the cute little headband is for. I just wash my face, do my skincare and head to bed.